So we're going to change the brake pads on an Audi A1 19 plate 3 litre TFSI. So the first job, you get your wheel off, which is simple enough. You got to loosen these so the slider moves back so you can move your brake pads back, and on the caliper you're going to need a 7mm Allen key. This is what I'm going to use. In there, shouldn't be too tight, but yeah, here we go. Right, so you undo that, make sure it's completely out, and then the bottom one the same. Yeah, so it's completely out. Now I'm just going to use a screwdriver just to push the pads back, put the piston back, the caliper. There she goes. You can hear it. It's going back. Don't do it too quickly, just nice and gentle. There she goes. Sliding back nicely. Yeah, the limit there. Just going to pull the caliper off. Caliper is now off. See, the brake pads needed changing. They were well low. Just going to knock the old ones out. Right, I'm just going to clean this up on the caliper. A little bit of wire brush so the pads slide easier. That's it. Just a little bit. Definitely needed changing. Now with these brake pads on the Audis, you've got two different. You've got the piston one, which has got a different, which is that one there, which is the same clip. If you go around that way, but you can see it needed changing. Definitely. And the front one has a different clip, which goes in the front. So we're going to put the piston one in first, which is this one. There you go, make sure it's snapped in there nice and tight. Yep, that's in there. Now we're going to put the front one in. It's a bit more tricky. Let's give it a tap down. Yep. Now they're in there. Now, just going to put it back together. Make sure those are out of there. Front one's in. Make sure the bottom one is in as well. And just give them a tighten. Just tighten them up loosely to start with before, make sure they're in there and they're not crossed. It's not difficult to change them on the Audi A1. It's quite a simple job really. For a bit of DIY mechanic, you can do 10 minutes aside, if that. Important thing, just try your brake before you start driving down the road. Get someone to sit in there, do it for you. Put the end caps in, and there you go. Straighten the wheel up. Audi A1, new brake pads. The other side is exactly the same as this side. Change the rear brake pads on the Audi A1. Now you need the 15 open-ended and a 13 socket, and you loosen what holds the caliper. Yeah, that's loose. You take that out. It's that one done. Now you do the same on the bottom one. Take that out. Bring the caliper up. Brake pads already fallen out. You can obviously they need replacing. Now we're just going to put the rewind tool in there, rewind it back, which is the rewind tool which you need to do this job, and we'll be set. We're using the brake rewind tool. We just rewind it back slowly. As you wind it back, the piston is going back. I don't think you can see it on the camera or not, but we just wind it back nice and slow. The fluid chance to run back. Yep, I think we're done. Loosen it off. Right, now we're just going to put the new brake pads in. Just slides in there like that, and that one the same. And then you put the caliper back. Can't be round enough. It's in. Do your top one up, just finger tight, like that, and you put your bottom one in, same. So, probably head's going to be in the camera. There you go. Right, thanks for watching this video. Hope this helps you change your brake pads on the Audi A1. This is a 2019 3-point TFSI, and they're quite simple to do. So as I say, anybody really can sort of change the brake pads if you've got a little bit of DIY knowledge. But I say, thanks for watching, and there will be more videos coming. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.